Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds AirPods Pro. You have to start by open settings and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you need to click at the headphones line in the settings right here at the top. And you will see this menu. Also this menu you can find if you go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here you need to scroll down, and in About you can find serial number. So you can see you can also tap at the serial number to check it for the left and right earbuds, because this serial number is for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.